All right, what's up, YouTube? Listen up. So, real quick, I want to do this video. I forgot who requested it, but shout out to you. I apologize. I don't remember your name, but somebody wanted me to go over how to find more residential customers. Y'all know I specialize in commercial cleaning, and I told the young lady that as well. But I still figured I'd give my opinion on it. I didn't have a ton of residential accounts in my cleaning company. I had three. You know what I mean? So I'll go over how I got my three, and then I'll share other tips. So first off, obviously the obvious answers are, door hangers. Going in certain neighborhoods and subdevelopments and all of that. Put your door hanger on the doors. You know what I mean? Or flyers. Hang some flyers out on people's doors. You can't put flyers in the mailboxes legally, but you can put them on, maybe even put them on their car windshield. But some people might not want you touching their car. You know what I mean? But different things. Maybe if you're out in the shopping center, maybe put your flyer in their windshield. Also, I would say get out there and just open your mouth. If you're in a neighborhood and you're riding by, say hi. You know what I mean? Slow down real quick. See somebody walking to the car and just ask them if you can give them your business card real quick and your flyer and tell them about yourself and who you are. Another thing is, so I'll tell you about how I got my three customers. The first way was my very first customer I actually got from my commercial account. So if you have some commercial accounts, if they see that you clean the office well, then they might be looking for somebody to clean their home as well too. So that's what happened to me. The guy approached me, he saw me clean the office. It was like I do a good job there. Could not do houses, and so I agreed to do his house. Then once we got that one house, we ended up getting referred to one of their friends, and we went to their next house, and so we got the second house by a referral. Then the third one came from me getting out and volunteering in the community. Actually, no, this one wasn't a volunteer opportunity. This was me actually going to networking events. So I used to always go to like business workshops, seminars, all of those type of things. And one day I met a guy who was teaching about stock investing, and when you go around the room, introduce who you are and all of that. Later on after the meeting, the guy said he was looking for a home cleaner for his house. And so I ended up cleaning his home as well. So, you just got to get out there and network, okay? Open your mouth, closed mouths don't get fed, so definitely put yourself out there. The other thing is advertisements, okay? Paid ads. And for residential, I think that it's actually easier to get residential with Facebook, okay? I know Google ads work pretty well for commercial, and we teach that in the Cleaning Business Masterclass, but for residential in particular, I think Facebook is actually better because you can target people directly. Like, for example, you can probably target, new homeowners. You know what I mean? And try to market to those people. Excuse me. And then also, do some before and after. Okay, take pictures of your like. You never lose with before and after. I know everybody's doing it now, but I'm sorry, my eyes itching real bad. But you never lose with before and after. Okay, so do that like nonstop. Promote it. Okay, do some specials if you have to do specials. I know I don't really teach to do specials with commercial, but in residential, it could work a little bit better because in residential you're dealing with the direct to consumer. What did I just say? In residential, right, you're dealing with direct to consumer. You're dealing directly with the consumer. But in commercial, you're going business to business. So doing discounts don't always really matter. You know what I mean with commercial because the person that you're talking to most of the time is not their business and they don't own it, so they don't care as much about the bottom line as somebody like with their home expenses. They want to keep their budget low, so maybe you do some specials, okay? But get out there, network, pass out some flyers, maybe even go to like a Lowe's because a lot of times who's shopping at Lowe's and Home Depot? Homeowners, right? They like people that got apartments usually not in Lowe's or Home Depot because they don't have to pay for maintenance and repairs and stuff like that. Okay, so maybe try to put flyers on cars and parking lots at the Home Depot or the Lowe's. Okay, so anyway, like I said, I'm not an expert in residential. I'm more of a commercial guy, but hopefully these tips were able to help you. I'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks.